Hello friends, this is Mantram Shetty from Autocar Mantra. I came to know that there is some zero down payment product at Maruti Suzuki. Let me check.
Hello sir, how can I help you?
Hi, I am looking for Swift. I need some more details.
Hi Mantram,
Hi.
I am Satish. I am Relationship Manager, Sales. May I know your specific needs? May I know your working?
I need car to commute to office and also for Sunday ride for tourist locations. And I am working in IT company here in Bangalore. I am just a fresher, so I need the maximum funding.
May I know what's your annual income, sir? Is it possible to disclose it?
Yeah, sir, there is no problem. There is nothing to hide. I am earning 50,000 per month.
Sir, you have just joined. What kind of funding you are looking at? Are you looking at paying a down payment with a loan, or are you looking at availing maximum funding?
Yes, definitely, sir. I am looking for the maximum funding, as I told you. And as it has been 2 years, I joined my job. I don't have much down payment, and I need best maximum funding.
Sure, definitely. We have a product specifically meets your needs, which we called as Maruti Suzuki subscription.
Oh, it sounds good. Tell me more about the product.
Sure, sir. My senior relationship manager, Bharat, will assist you more regarding this.
So really, post-pandemic, lot of consumers moving from using public transports and share mobility, they are towards more of ownership. Nowadays, however, the same time there is a fear of dropped income levels. People wants to preserve the cash and they don't want to go for 5+ year loan repayment, etc. So obviously people, they don't want to commit a lot of cash for a longer period. They can avoid making down payment, which is this subscription models.
Subscription model is quite new to the industry, not only in India, across the world. Here you don't own the vehicle but you can use it. It's like leasing a car for 2 to 4 years. So traditionally car buying is through cash or the finance, but now there is a new trend in younger buyers where people don't want to own the asset, they want to use it. Maruti thought about subscription service in which we offers for the usage to the consumers, but they don't have to arrange for a finance for it, they have to just pay rentals. So it's like a rental without a hassle of insurance, without hassle of financing, without hassle of maintenance. It's sort of a very convenient way of using the car.
Oh, that's cool. Please brief me about the specifics.
Sure, sir. Our Hi-Fi experts will explain about the Hi-Fis of Maruti Suzuki subscription.
Hi-Fi 1, all-inclusive monthly rental. We provide a brand new vehicle for your use and all you need to pay is a monthly rental. This includes the vehicle cost, including the registration charges. It also includes all scheduled and unscheduled maintenance, including battery and tire replacement. Comprehensive zero depreciation insurance, complete roadside assistance is included in case there is a car breakdown anywhere in the country.
Oh, then no need to worry of insurance, maintenance, etc. And my monthly rental will cover everything. I hope Maruti Suzuki will take care of my car very good.
Hi-Fi 2, zero down payment and easy process. There is a no down payment and hidden charges. All you have to pay is a 1 month refundable security deposit to subscription. It's very simple paperwork. You just need to give your KYC details, salary slip, ITR details with bank statement. That's it.
I think Maruti Suzuki has nailed it, as my minimum requirement was minimum down payment, short tenure, flexible and hassle-free experience. I am definitely going to avail my new Swift with Maruti Suzuki Subscribe.
So third Hi-Fi is multiple option after your subscription tenure. So after subscription you have 3 options that you can decide after your subscription. The one is you can extend your tenure up to 2 years or 3 years and close the subscription, and the second one is you can buy back the vehicle and own it for a longer term, and the third one is after 2 years if you want to go for a bigger car you can just surrender the vehicle and go with a longer time and bigger vehicle too.
Oh, that perfectly suits me. Even I had a plan to upgrade my car after 2 years. This product is well suited for me.
Hi-Fi 4, risk as less of resale of the car. You covered it for the market risk associated with the resale value of car after usable life of the car, and at the same time no hassles are finding negotiating with the buyer. Doing RTO formalities and going through RC transfer process, all need to do drop your car back to us, you can also start a new subscription.
Oh, it's so hassle-free for me.
Yes.
I-5 5 white plate registration. The last and the most important is that against competition, we provide you with a private registered vehicle in our own name. This vehicle does not have the speed limiter fitted, which limit the speed 80 km or hour, face any hassles during interstate movement, caused by interstate border tax due to commercial registration.
Oh, that is very simple. Maruti Suzuki always amazes me with the new product offering. That is why I am a huge fan of Maruti Suzuki. This product suits me perfectly, and I am definitely going to subscribe my new Swift. Is there any special benefit for self-employed also?
Also, sir, for self-employed customers with this product, one can claim the entire amount spent on the vehicle as part of their company expenses, thereby reducing the overall burden to their pockets as to save the tax.
Oh, interested. Let me know the further process for me.
Sir, there are just 5 steps in the entire process of owning the vehicle. First one is selection of the model, variants and tenure available across range of Arena and Nexa model. Second one is submission your documents for credit check. Third one is agreement with our leasing partner and yourselves to be signed. Fourth one, the payment of first month advance subscription fees and 1 month refundable safety deposit by yourself. Your starting monthly outflow as low as rupees 12,700 rupees only. Fifth one is deliver of the vehicle as per your comfort at the dealership or at home.
Oh, let's go for it. Just fill the fuel and run the car. Hello friends, with the above highlights, I am sure that Maruti Suzuki Subscribe provides solution to your requirement, and this product ensures that choose a car, ride it and enjoy it with zero hassles and 100% comfort. Zero down payment, shorter tenure, simply fill the fuel, run the car. Maruti Suzuki subscription, happy subscription. Please subscribe my channel for getting future notification of auto reviews. Thanks for watching.